insurance for those 50 and over. Protection like AARP level benefit term life with benefits from $10,000 to $100,000. You don't need a physical exam or medical tests to apply. Acceptance is based on your health information. To learn more, call now or visit the website on your screen. We'll send you free information and a rate quote. If you decide this protection is right for you, you can apply in about 5 minutes. If you're interested in coverage
Hadi taping them.
$100,000, we can help with that too. Finding Mom's policy was such a relief, so we called New York Life again, this time to help protect our family. And we found affordable coverage that fit our budget. Affordable rates start as low as $10.46 a month for $10,000 in benefits, about 34 cents a day. Now we're taking care of the people we love, the same way my mom took care of us. For free information plus a rate quote, call New York Life at 1-800-558-262